So why is it generally a good idea to position the CSS link between the head and header and JavaScript just before the body? Can you think of any exceptions?
It's a good idea to put your CSS links at the top of the page because you need your dependencies to load before the page does. It may have something in those dependencies that it needs to utilize right off the bat and could throw an error if it doesn't have those. You would put the JavaScript scripts tags just before the end of the body so that the page could fully render all of the HTML before the JavaScript, because it again might also depend upon the JavaScript, or rather other way around, the JavaScript may depend upon something in the HTML. And if a button were to fire off before the JavaScript were ready, it wouldn't have anything to interact with. There may be an exception to the placement of the script tag if you were to wrap it in a document.ready. In that case, it wouldn't matter where you put the script tag. It may also, the HTML may also require the JavaScript in order to render something. In that case, you would have to put it higher. So, what is closure? How might we use closure to our advantage?
So closure is whenever a function reaches outside of itself, outside of its own scope to access some sort of variable, whether it's an object, an array, or just a singularly declared variable. And we can use this to our advantage in the event that we want to restrict the user's access to certain variables. So this way we can enclose this variable inside a certain scope and only allow access to it through some provided function that we give to the user, such as say we wanted to store all the usernames in somewhere and we didn't want them to delete them without using our delete command, then we would just provide inside of a closure where the only way to access those things would be through the functions that we give them to delete or add users. And so why did you decide JavaScript would be the language to learn?
It's a very popular language. It's used as the main language in web development. That, and it's readily accessible to me through Operation Spark. If they had chosen to teach something else, I'd probably be learning that right now.
Similar here. I really didn't know much about what JavaScript was or how it really differentiated from any other language. It was more, this program was recommended to me by someone I know who's gone through it, so I decided it would be a good route to start with.